Behind me is a brand new GLE 63, and we just gave it a whole new look. Just last week, this car came to us silver wheels, and a bunch of chrome. And as you can see, this car looks entirely different. So to start with the front, just to show you immediately the level of detail that we go, every single one of these tiny grill slats is chrome underneath. However, as you can see, they're black. We wrapped every single individual piece, including the emblem surround on the front. Now you're probably asking, okay, well, why didn't you wrap that? It's because this is actually a sensor, so the Mercedes emblem is actually inside of the sensor. So if you wrap it, it's gonna mess with the sensor. There's also on the front a bunch of chrome down here. All of that got wrapped gloss black. And then as you can see, the exterior of the vehicle got wrapped satin black. Now the reason why we do a contrast like that is because it looks way better than just doing everything satin black. It doesn't look good. It's always better to have a contrast, right? So that's why we also did the wheels in gloss black rather than the satin black look. Overall, the vehicle looks way better that way. When it comes to doing our installation super in depth, we take off the necessary parts, right? So we take off the door handles, and not only do we just take off the door handles, we actually take the door handles apart to get the most flawless installation, so you can't even tell that there's any silver showing underneath. These door handles actually come with a silver bottom half and a chrome top half to match the chrome that the vehicle came with. But when we take the door handles apart, we fully wrap them for two reasons. One, this is going to ensure the longevity of the installation. And two, overall, it just looks way better to do it the right way. So when we're doing our installations here at Tier 1 Auto Haus, again, we'll take off whatever is necessary, because something like a trunk wing comes off because we don't want to have any nasty seams, right? So we try to do everything as seamless as possible, because seams can over time fail, or they just are really crappy. And when you're paying as much as you are for the service that you get here at Tier 1 Auto Haus, you don't want those things. So rather than leaving this on the car and wrapping it on the car, as well as wrapping this top piece on the car, it's much easier to remove it, lay this all in one piece, get it looking flawless, and then put this back on top of the car as well and wrap it on a whole separate piece. And although he didn't opt to wrap the door jambs, with this exterior of the vehicle being wrapped satin black, we wrap it far enough so looking at it from just the exterior, the vehicle looks satin black, right? So what I mean by wrapping it far enough, we have the film stop right here. And we make sure we wrap every single edge. As far as the side skirts, these are actually little covers, and there's another piece of the side skirt there. So we take these off, wrap them so we can get complete coverage, and then we put them back on the vehicle. So if you're looking to achieve a paint-like finish, give us a call today at 725-525-9066, and we'll make sure we get your car taken care of.